So, okay, once again I'm starting from the beginning. So already you have learnt it in the school book. So if you take the page number 48, if you have in the hand, you just take page number 48 and you have that what are the steps to be followed before going to this active and passive voice. I'll just go through according to our book. Can you see this? So step 1 is first we need to identify transitive and intransitive verb, right? And the second step, we must be thorough in 12 tenses. And then step 3, we must be thorough with participles, past participle and present participle. And then step 4 is active voice, how the object and subject takes place. The object will be changed to subject in passive voice. Verb will be changed to participle. Active voice, subject will become a object in passive voice. And passive voice will use the agent by before the object. So this is already we have done this and you all thorough with this. So you need not worry about it. And once again, we'll start with this, right? Like, see the sentence is given here. The manager appointed many office assistant. Here you need to find out in this way. Like, see the manager is a subject, right? See, because we have seen that we need to be thorough with transitive and intransitive verb, right? Transitive verb is nothing, it will have the object. Intransitive verb will not have the object. This is how you should identify. Only the transitive verbs, if the sentence has transitive verb, that can be converted to active voice to passive voice, right? So here we'll see this. The manager is a subject, right? Appointed is a verb. Many office assistant is a object. So the many office assistant together, it is a object, right? Now the manager appointed many office assistant. Now first step, it is a transitive verb. The first point is getting okay with this, and then the second one what we need to see, come to the verb point. When you touch this verb point, appointed is a it belongs to which tense? It belongs to simple past tense. Appointed belongs to simple past tense, right? So this, according to the verb only, we have to go one by one in the active voice and passive voice. So now we are starting with present past tense, right? Now this is past tense, simple past tense. So if it is simple past tense, what is the auxiliary verb will go with this past? See, this is a main verb. This main verb requires a auxiliary verb when you convert into passive voice, right? Okay, anyway, we'll see one by one. Now subject, verb, object. Now we'll take this many office assistant to the subject place. So that is what here it is written. Many office assistants, right? Because this assistants is in plural. So this plural always accept the plural verb. Where belongs to plural verb also in past tense, right? So many office assistants were appointed. So this will be noted as participle, past participle. Were appointed. And by the manager. By is an agent. Right? the manager as it comes. So it's quite easy. Only thing, a little bit of concentration you need it. If you concentrate properly, definitely you can do this. Right? So one by one we'll go according to the tenses. Right?